Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. It all depends the time you're watching this video. So welcome to my channel. The thing is that I just woke up and was like, I just need to transform this hair. So I want to transform this old boring box braids into these really nice Faux Locs. Like, I've already done the back of my part and it took me 2 days. Don't judge, I have a kid, so like it's pretty hectic. Moms will feel me. So yeah, let me take you guys through the process as I transform these bad boys into these well groomed good boys. So the first step is to take down the box braid. Since okay, I'm using this method because I have a bit of a situation on the scalp. So I want to also scratch out the dandruff. That's why I'm using this method. But maybe in the future I'll do a detailed tutorial on how you can transform your box braid into Faux Locs. A very detailed and beginner friendly tutorial. So I'll just repeat this process all over my head, then I'll show you how it goes.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So guys, I'm done doing the small box braids with my hair, that is. So now I'll just start installing the Faux Locs. And the other thing is that I'll be using the same hair that I had used on the box braid, since I had used Afro Kinky. So yeah, I'm just fluffing out the braid that I had used, just something like this. That's it.
Rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading